All right. It's Wednesday morning, boys and girls. We got a big day ahead of us. We got the FOMC meeting. It's time to think about what to do today, right? Nice and easy, Patrick. Nice and easy. Nothing crazy. We're going to wait. We're going to look for some opportunity. We're going to make some money today. Let's do it, baby. It's currently 3:25 here in Hawaii. Good morning. Good morning. Whew. Let's go. Waking up in paradise, baby. I'm not going to lie. Sometimes it ain't easy. It ain't easy living in paradise. This morning, the market bounced off the 417 area with a high of 418.50 for pre-market high, the low 417. So a pretty tight range so far pre-market. We'll see what happens. Watching the 417 area. Not expecting a big move here too early in the day because of the FOMC meeting. So think we might have some sideways action. Definitely going to be choppy. Probably won't be very good. You know, it's all about already identifying, knowing what the market, will be like today. So we'll see what happens here at open. We got a few minutes. I think my coffee is about done. It's about ready. So you can see right now the market at the 417.50 area here. So looking for a move. See if I can time this with the correct fashion today. Oh my God, not this. I gotta put my password in for my freaking broker and it never goes in. Too early in the morning to write my password out. It's too early in the morning. I can't remember my damn password. Like Interactive Brokers, it's one annoying thing about Interactive Brokers, the platform, is it logs me out every night and then makes me log back in the morning. I'm like, come on. I'm on my desktop. Let's be honest. Someone's not gonna sneak into my house in the middle of the night and start placing trades. If they did, it'd be pretty funny because I'd be really confused. Be right back. The market is about to open in one little minute. Whee! Let's go. Let's go. Over under on what? Come on, you can't be placing bets on what I'm gonna say. How'd you know I was gonna say? How'd you know that? How'd you know, Roy? He saw the future. What's up? All right, here we go. Market is getting closer and closer to the market. The market open. It's 9:29. We're getting ready. We're ready. We're watching. We're vigilant, baby. We're vigilant. Looking for opportunities today. Nice and easy, baby. Yesterday, I streamed for 5 hours. Terrible idea. Never doing that again. Sorry. But that was just too much. That was 6 hours, 6.5 hours of me streaming yesterday. We can't be doing that. That's just too much time on the computer. Way too much time. Here we go. Market is now open for business. You can see here the futures bouncing around. I'd like to see a push up here above the 182s on futures if we bounce. Gonna give it a little bit of time though. Give it a little bit of time to see which way the market wants to go here. Market just now opening. We don't need to be the first one to the party. Remember, We're looking for opportunity. You can look. My platform probably looks a little bit different this morning. I took away my P&L on the screen in terms of like my overall P&L for the day, because I noticed one thing for sure, that I was definitely trading my P&L way too much. So we got to get out of that. We got to stop focusing on P&L, taking profit just because, oh, I'm up to 800, or, oh, you know, getting out because blah, blah, blah. Like, nope. No more P&L trading, baby. Trading the action, not trading our P&L. That's a common issue for a lot of traders, is you trade your P&L. Terrible, terrible, terrible way to trade. So the market's selling off here down below 417 now. Looks like 416 should be a little bit of support there. We'll see if that's going to bounce. You can see here on the SPY right now, selling off 416.50 coming up. So it's mostly just sell, sell, sell right now in the first few minutes of the market open. Well, first minute and a half. Whoa, baby, we're going hard. Let's go. Not really sure how long I'm going to trade this morning. We'll see what the action's like. I want to see some decent action today. We had yesterday was just chop, chop, chop city, baby. If there was a Chinese restaurant that was named after yesterday's price action, it'd be called Chop Chop City. Maybe Pop and Drop City. Fake Out City. Not good price action city. So, not a good day yesterday in terms of action there. If you guys are just now tuning in, you haven't hit the like button, you know what to do. We got 19 likes, 93 people watching. Let's blow that like button up. You only have one job today, my friends. That's to make money and to hit the like button. You got two jobs today. Let's go. Right now, futures selling off down to the 170s there on the futures. Watching this area here. Let's see what happens. Would like to see some type of bounce back up to the VWAP area. And then get denied there. On the SPY, watching this 416.58 area for a bounce here. And I got lots and lots of dad jokes trading the market. I got dad jokes for days, baby. We got all types of dad jokes up in here. Market still selling now below 417. Trying to push back a little bit here, but no bounce yet. Just continued selling pressure coming through there. There's a little bounce now, pushing back up. Let's see what happens here. Not much of a push up. Come on. Delaware baseball, let's go. No luck needed. Just patience, baby, patience. That's all we got to do today. Just be patient and wait for the opportunities. Money, money grows from the trees. We just got to wait to pick it. We just got to wait to pick it, baby. I wonder what are we thinking overall direction today, boys? Anybody got any hypotheses? Maybe the market just rallies to the moon. Who knows? I'd like to see the market sell off some more here. The 420 call options are still pretty expensive. Almost $2 on the 420 call options that expire today. Those need to get a lot cheaper. Let's go. Even the 413 put, I mean, everything's expensive on the options right now. Let's get more selling pressure coming in here. Trying to push back up now, 417s. Lots of selling pressure so far, but overall kind of a trend right here at the SPY right now. So the question is, do we bounce holding this trend right here at the 417 area? Looking at the bigger time frames. Look at the hourly. You can see on the hourly right now, holding this trend. Could almost get like this. Get a breakout to the upside here on the hourly chart. Oops, sorry. Look at this. On the hourly chart here on the SPY, having an overall kind of trend right now from yesterday after pushing up on Monday, and then yesterday's kind of price action. We'll see what happens here. So pushing it back into the spot to the VWAP there on the SPY, having a little bit of trouble. See if it's going to break to the downside now. If it gets stuck watching these candles, we'll push above the VWAP, obviously be bullish. But right now below the VWAP, it's bearish, baby. Let's see if we get a break up or the break down from here. Watching the MES right now. Looks like selling's going to continue through here. Let's see. We can get that pressure to sell through. Market holding this level right now. Looking for, see if we get a breakdown here below this 170 area. I think we're going to sell through. Let's see. And looks like a bounce. No sell through there. Still waiting for the breakdown. I think we're going to break down here either way. Over the 74s here, we could pop up again, start to rally back if we get back above the VWAP here. But looking like on the SPY, staying below the VWAP here for now. Let's see if we can bounce here. So we can bounce up here through the 417s, get back above the VWAP on the SPY. Wow. Just can't get through there. Looking like a bear flag here on the SPY as long as we stay below the VWAP. And get this sell through here. Need the selling. Trying to play with tight stop right now. Market holding this level right now. Just chopping around in the 168s, the 174s on the MES right now. Looking like she wants to pop up here. See if we can get this thing to push up to the above 417s. Let's see, over 417 on the SPY, pushes up. Get over the 76s here. The SPY trying to figure out, chopping around here. Nothing really going through here. I'm currently flat on the market. No trade open right now. Market just not deciding which way it wants to go. Pushing up here. Wow. Chop City again. Market right here at the VWAP right now. Pushing up to the 417s now on above the 417. Market pushing up now. Try to push above the 180s on the MES. SPY at the 417s here. Just chopping around right now, so no real direction. Still just waiting for something to articulate here. A lot of selling pressure on that last candle there. You would think it would continue to sell through here. Right there at the VWAP right now. It's going to chop around here. ES break over 4,200 today. We'll see what happens to this FOMC meeting. Should get a push up here if it ends up breaking the upside here. Still just real choppy. Push 417.40 on the SPY now. Market trying to push above the 180s here on the MES. Just no follow through right now. Just popping it and dropping it. VIX is at below $29 on the VIX. More choppy chopness. Look at this thing. $15-minute candle looking. I mean, this last one just really squeezed up there, but see if we can push up here on the SPY, hold this trend. I can see a push above the 180s on the MES. Wow. Selling through now, 416.40s. See a break below the low so far, 416.20 area. Get some more selling to come through here. Chopping around here. I knew this would happen today. I knew it would be a choppy morning, so I don't even know why I traded. I told you guys yesterday I was not trade today. Terrible idea. Down $500 on the day, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just stop trading for now. Wait till after the FOMC meeting. This is not good trading right now. It's just not working. Terrible plan. I'll stay for a little bit longer, but this is just not a good idea for me right now to keep trading. Oh. Market down there below 416 now. On the 417.40 area, selling down there. So the market's selling off here through the 416s now, chopping around this morning up to the 470.40, pulling back to the 416s, breaking downside now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, let's go. Trading the SPY. This is the SPY, the SPY, S&P 500. We got AMC below $15. We got QQQ down to the 317. For right now, the SPY 415.76, selling through here still. Shelling through on the SPY down to the 415.65 right now on the SPY. She's going lower. Let's go. You can see right now futures down to the 62s from the 180 here down there to 62 now. 180 are giving it trouble there on the SPY. SPY just going down, down, down now. 415.40 on the low so far today. Rocking and rolling, baby. QQQ really selling off here as well. AMC down below $15. Little bounce back here on the SPY right now from the 415.40 area. Expecting, like I said earlier, lots of choppy price action today. And, you know, not expecting just a massive crash here with the FOMC meeting coming up. So definitely just kind of sitting back here. Not trading this crap. Ain't doing it. Don't want it. Don't need it. SPY down to the 415.67 area now. Continuing to sell, looking like she wants to go lower on the smaller time frames. Robert, let's go. We got a new member joining the party. Hey, if you guys are just now tuning in for the first time ever, you never tuned in before, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Also, help me out. Hit the like button. Let's blow this. Let's blow it up. Get above 100 likes here on this stream and pop it off, baby. Come on. We can make this market go higher together. Together forever. Anybody got me? We're at 70 likes. Can we go? The SPY selling off 415.46 right now on the SPY. We're now continuing to sell through here. 415.20, 415.17. How low can she go today? Don't text and trade. No more trading from here now. I'm done waiting for the FOMC meeting later on today. So we're just kind of watching this action there. Looking at the bigger time frames here on the SPY right now. We got some support at the 415, 414, 50 area from yesterday. So we'll see if that's going to bounce the market back up from this level. The more it goes down, the more it goes up. Hey, no truer words have ever been spoken. No truer words have ever been spoken. Market pulling back 415.16 right now. See if she's going to hold there and break through that 415 area. Get down to the 414s. 414 being that kind of the next area of support here on the SPY right now. You can see the MES dropping. If you're wondering what platform I'm using, it's the IronBeam app. Cloud-based platform. Makes it really easy and simple to trade anywhere, everywhere. Futures. You can trade futures through the IronBeam app right there. And if you want to learn more about the broker that I'm using for trading options and all that fun stuff as well, we got interactive brokers there. Link in the chat box. Let's go. Big thank you to Robert Conover coming through with the support for the channel here. We got 80 likes, my friends. Come on. Let's hit that like button. Let's get it going. I don't know why everybody hates liking the stream. It's so simple. It's so easy. Watching to see if we're going to break to the downside here on the SPY. Hey, no problem, Aaron. It's the little things in life. Waking up early at 3:30 in the morning to trade and make money. Hey, it could be worse. It could always be worse. Where is Keenan Grace? I don't know. Where is he? Why would I know where he is? Where's James Bond? That's the question. Market finding support there at the 415 flat right now. See if we push back up here above 416, but overall looking bearish on the 15-minute chart here. But like I said earlier, FOMC meeting today, so not expecting just a, massive move to the downside or to the upside. Definitely going to be, I would say, some choppy range action today. Maybe they hold this 415 area kind of just stuck in here until we get closer to the FOMC meeting. Could be the range for the day from the 415 to the 417s. We're trading the MES, trading futures, trading the SPY, baby. Finding some support there on the MES right now. Kind of tricky with this bounce area here. Like I said, just not expecting anything like to really just happen until later on today. But question is, do we bounce and rip back up here? The $1 million question, my friends. The $1 million man with the $1 million plan, baby. Let's go. We got 94 likes. We can get through 100 here. There's resistance at 94 right now on the like button, but I think we can break through it, baby. I think we can break through it. There we go. Breaking through 100 likes now. We did it, baby, together. 155 area on the MES right now. Bouncing, but looking like we might get stuck here again and want to sell through here on the MES. You can see this 160 level. If we break the low of days so far, right around that 156 on the MES right now. Ouch, losing $20,000 on Tesla call options last week. That's not good. That's an expensive morning. That's an expensive options trade, losing 20K. So do we break? There we go. Breaking through that 415 now on the SPY. The MES selling through here. 155 getting touched there. Breaking the downside here right now. You can see on the 15-minute chart, this candle just about to close as a massive, I won't even say it's engulfing, but it's just a big old bearish candle there from the 416 down to 415, looking like she wants to go lower from here. The SPY continuing to sell the MES down to the 152s now. We got AMC selling. What else we got going on today? We got Tesla making moves. Tesla selling off from the 916 area down there to 892 right now on Tesla. What we got with Apple? We got Apple selling. Apple pushed up to the 161 area, selling back down below 160, 159.98 right now. We got some big moves. What seemed like big moves happening, but not really big moves at all. The MES down to the 150s, bouncing now from there. So 414.50 area acting as support right now. Will it hold? This was yesterday's bounce area, multiple times bouncing off that level. Will we bounce here today? Nobody knows. But we will see. Let's see what happens. We can get this thing popping back up. $414.79 there on the SPY right now, bouncing off that support there. This could be an area for reversal back up to the VWAP area, back up to the 416s if we can hold here on the SPY now. Been a lot of selling pressure, so it will take a lot for the bulls to get pushing again. It'll take a lot for the bulls to get pushing here. So there's that push back up like we were thinking. Pushing back up to the 415s again here. We'll see if this is going to be support on the SPY, but it might be short-lived. The MES pushing back from the 150s back to 155, 156 level on the MES right now. If we break below this level, the 414.40s, you got 413.39 coming up next as support here, basically. Or maybe 414 flat. Kind of bounce around there, but like I said, it's FOMC day, baby. Jay Powell talking. I guess Biden's talking today as well, so we got two old guys talking today. Deciding our fates. Isn't that crazy? Two old guys basically decide if we're going to be rich or if we're going to be poor. What do they know? Pushing up from the 415s now. This 15-minute candle looking like it could be a little reversal here. Get this 15-minute candle to close back above the 415s here. You got the VWAP up at the 416.50. I always think for these reversals that a good target for reversal is up to the VWAP. The VWAP, baby. But time will tell. Time will tell. We'll see if we can get pushing up here over the 415s, up to the 416s on the SPY. Apple 160 kind of bouncing, looking like she wants to reverse there on Apple. Tesla continuing selling down there, 889 right now. Tesla just been getting hammered. Just been getting hammered the last few weeks. Back there in April up to a high of 1160. But look at how beautifully this kind of played out on that overall trend right now. Hey, look, I drew this line a while back when I was talking about Tesla. Wonder if it's gonna happen. Tesla pretty much in this downward channel here. How many times did it touch that top of that channel? 1, 2, 3. Kind of a lower high there as well. So looking like Tesla might get down to the 700s. QQQ just sell this morning. Wow, look at that. Literally from the 318s down to the 315s on the Qs. Just, phew. She gone. She gone. Pretty big move there, actually. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Oh, on the 15-minute chart here on the QQQ, on the NASDAQ, just sell, baby. NASDAQ's down about 1% on the day so far. The SPY, 0.3% on the day. SPY looking like she wants to find some support here. NASDAQ, similar move, but below that support area. NASDAQ doesn't really look like support until 313, 312 area. This little support here at the 316s needs to get reclaimed. See if we get this bounce back up here on the ES now. Can we push back up? Right now at the 415s. MES pushing back up here from the 55s, back up to 58 now. Looking like this could be a little reversal area. Like I said, push up to the VWAP there at the 416s. We'll see if we get it here. Sellers coming back in there, not letting it pop back up too quickly. Bit of a battle here on the MES right now. The SPY 415 battling, trying to push this back up, but a lot of selling pressure right now coming through, so could just be a little bit of time having to consolidate here. But we're right there at that support, so James Bond is missing in action today. Not sure where he went. Where's he at? Pushing up now on the MES to the 160s. Got 3 minutes here on this 15-minute candle. Trying to push up. No time to die. Let's go. Market pushing back up now, looking a little bit better. For the reversal here on, you can see on the MES now pushing up there as well, so MES gets pushing back above 162 area. Could be a good reversal. And push up here. Hey, Matt Spies making some money. We got some of these spies. James Bond. We got Matt Spies. So many spies up in this chat. Lots. I wonder if they're Russian spies. Little push back up here. I'm trying to basically push right up. Look at this on the 1 minute chart. Push right up to that resistance from earlier. The high on that candle, the high is 63. The high was 63 on that candle there. So running into that resistance there. Now on the MES, see if we're going to get a pullback here. Got a minute 30 on the 15-minute candle on the SPY. Let's go. Looking like a little bit of a bull flag forming here on the 1 minute chart right now on the MES. If we can hold this kind of 160 level, push above 165, get going again. We can retest the VWAP on the SPY here. the VWAP, that blue line on the chart. This is the Ripster EMA clouds that I'm using on there as well, if you're wondering what I'm using for indicators. Looking a little crazy right now with this price action, but normally when there's a nice trending market, it looks really nice and beautiful, like this the other day. You know, even like this big sell-off, nice and easy to read there, but market chopping around here. Tesla right now at the 893 area, trying to reverse here as well, finding some support on Tesla, but also running into that EMA cloud there. So resistance ahead for a couple of different stocks here. Apple, how are we looking on Apple? Apple trying to bounce, but having trouble here as well. Below the VWAP right now on Apple. So this could be another turn down for the SPY. Forming almost like a bear flag right now. If we break back below 415 here. We got some mixed signals in the chat right now. People thinking we're going to get a pullback. Some people think we're going to a push up here. Let's see if we get it. I see what you mean about the 15-minute chart, looking at yesterday's reversals there. I think if you get a break above 415.68, we should get a push up to the 416.50 area. Still not a lot of meat on that bone to the upside. I'd be more interested in seeing a reclaim of the VWAP. Maybe push up to the VWAP area 416 and then get the sell. $155 I'd say would be support on the MES right now. You can see the MES here at the 155 area. Needing to hold there before maybe breaking down to the 150s again. Trying to hold, trying to push. Trying to hold, trying to push. I would definitely say it's a bull flag there on the 1-minute chart on the MES right now. And right now, watching the 155 area for holding on the MES. Needs to hold the 155 level. Could roll off here below 155 again. Looking like a pullback here, maybe to the 150 area again. The SPY breaking back below 415. She's trying to hold. Trying to hold here. SPY is beautiful. The SPY is like a rainbow. SPY continuing to sell, like I said, down to the 150. Very, very possible here happening now. All that selling pressure there, just not letting it go up. Multiple attempts to break through, just not breaking through there. And now down there to the low of day so far. Once again, rolling off there. Like I said, There she goes. From the 160s down to the 150 now. 148.75 there on the MES. All right, so the question is, do we bounce off the $14 area here on the SPY now? Do we bounce? $1 million question, my friends. We got 414. We got almost 200 people watching. 191 people watching right now. Let's go. Welcome to the party, baby. If you aren't hitting that like button, well, you're not going to make any money. I heard the more you hit the like button, the more money you make in the market. Just a little saying that I've heard. A rumor. Don't be afraid to hit it. Let's go, boys. Aloha solar panel cleaning with the 412 puts. Let's go. Nice work, nice work. I'm not trading anything because I've hit my max loss for now. I lost $500 on the open chop around session. So I'm waiting for later on for the FOMC meeting. You got to have rules. Right now, my biggest rule is $500. We're not going to keep trading it. So, it is what it is. Sticking to the plan, sticking to the rules. Even if I'm live on YouTube, still not gonna break the rules. Wow, nice little reversal back here, a little punch back up. It's all chipping. I got money, I just don't want to trade anymore. And keep adding on to my loser. It's just not worth it. Which is, it's funny because obviously there's you know, been much better setups, and I freaking knew this would happen. I don't know why I went so aggressive at open. Silly me. I gotta stop doing it. I gotta stop trying to trade the open so much. Just I honestly, it's not good. Especially when it's chopping around the way it is. I mean, on a normal day when you don't have FOMC, you don't have whatever going on that day. I mean, normally you can get some good open moves, but just stupid. I don't think it's worth it at the end of the day, you know. And it sucks now because obviously, you know, looking at this move lower here on the 1 minute chart, it was pretty clear like what obviously in hindsight now, you know, the best opportunity, but that break to the downside below 175 after getting stuck at the 180s. We got to move all the way down to the 150s. That's the type of action we need, not this type of action chopping around there. So it's part of it, trading. You know, you have good days, you have bad days, and the one thing you can't allow is yourself to go on tilt and make a bad day even worse, because that will happen. It's really easy to turn a $500 loss, $500 red day into a $1,000, $2,000 red day. So I've been there, I've done that too many times. Can't do it. $500. I just said $500. I'm drinking coffee. What are you drinking? People ask me some funny questions sometimes on YouTube. It's 4:30 in the morning here in Hawaii. What else would I be drinking in this cup? What's the health tip of the day? I don't know. Work out more. If you're fat, Just fucking work out. It's that simple. That's my health tip of the day. If you're fat, just work out. You like that? It ain't rocket science. I mean, you don't even have to. If you're fat, it's not even about going on a diet. It's just about. I mean, you can pretty much keep eating whatever. I mean, obviously, be smart about it, but I can pretty much eat whatever I want. I mean, I can eat. I feel like I could eat pretty much anything that I want all day, every day, and still. You know, I did a 5,000 meter row yesterday in 20 minutes, baby. Let's go. That's a bitch. What do I think about set? I'm not even gonna look at it. Right now, the SPY pushing back up there off of that support level. You can see that $14 area. That low on that candle was $14.25. You got 14.12, 14, kind of like, yeah, right there, 414s on the SPY, pushing back up there right now. So like I said, looking for a retest of the VWAP. It's looking like a pretty good reversal candle right now. What a waste of time. Is this a therapy meeting? Nah. There you go. Simple math, baby. Buy low, sell high. So a little pushback up from the 150s to the 160s there on the MES. You can see a nice little bounce back. That 15-minute candle really ripping back up there. Now the question is, can it push above that 163 resistance on the MES, the SPY at the 415.50 area? If it can push up to the 416s now. We'll see. The $1 million question, the $1 million man with the $1 million plan. I agree. Not much going on until after the FOMC meeting today. So might just go sideways here for a little bit. Am I a millionaire? Definitely not a millionaire. If I was a millionaire, I would freaking, no offense to you guys, but I would not be live streaming on YouTube like a lot of the other millionaires on YouTube, or the YouTubers that claim to be millionaires. I would definitely do better. I'd have other things to do, you know. No offense. Secretly a millionaire. I wish, man. $415.50 now. Pushing up there now on the SPY. This could be, I think, just some, you know, choppy sideways action until later on today. I guess Biden speaks in a little bit as well. So we got a couple people talking today. Market could be in a range here from the 150s to the 160s on the MES right now. Looking here at the SPY from the 414.20s. Push up there 415.50 area. So We'll see what happens here. All right, all right. All right, all right. All right, so it's 10:45 in the morning here. I've been live for about an hour and 15 minutes so far. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take a little nap. It's 4:45 here in Hawaii. Maybe I'll go live later on today. What do you mean the live data? I've got live data on TradingView, don't I? This is live, is it not? Well, there's probably a delay on your stream, not on my end. My TradingView does live data. It's moving tick for tick with my futures platform as well. So, what icon? Where's the Where do you mean I'm not paying for? I have live data. No. Literally, if you go and you look at the SPY on the 1 minute chart, and then you look at the MES here, it's tick for tick. It's literally the same exact moves. I'm confused. This guy's messing with my head, man. He's getting in my head. Do I not have live data? Have I been trading this whole time without live data? I'm pretty sure the data's live on TradingView. I mean, there's going to be a small delay. I mean, I'm trying to have the least amount of delay possible with the stream, but I can't make it any faster. I'm in Hawaii, people. I'm in the middle of the ocean. You know, I got the fastest internet you can get, but I don't know if it's fast enough to make it live all the way in New York City. But we're pretty darn close. Market pushing back up here, trying to get above the 163 on the MES. And the SPY 415.57 right now. The last high on that candle there, 415.69, 415.67. If it can't push above there, might be some trouble and then roll off again. But looking like she wants to break back up to the upside and touch the VWAP there, baby. The VWAP. The VWAP. Y'all know about that VWAP? What y'all know about that VWAP? Such a funny word to say. VWAP. The VWAP. All right. So, again, today, you know, a little tricky market morning open, breaking the rules, doing stupid stuff. And, well, here we are today. And it is what it is. So, again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Wasn't even planning on trading today. I should have stuck with my gut. Stuck with the plan, but I was like, oh, I'll get a couple trades in, you know, early morning and then whatever. But it is what it is. We paid the price, and we're going to follow the rules, stick to the rules. So, like I always say, if you guys haven't already, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like button. Let's get into it. But, again, maybe I'll go live later on today around the FOMC meeting. We'll see maybe kind of what happens. Right now, the SPY having trouble there at the 415.60s. Might want to roll back off, just kind of in this range right now. So, yeah, I'm going to go back to sleep for a little bit. Like I said, it's, you know, 4:45 here in Hawaii right now. So I'm going to go take a little nap. And we'll see what happens later on today. All right, all right. Stay green, my friends. Stay green. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't do anything stupid. Stay alive. Stay alive, baby. Stay. Have you ever seen TNT window tint there? No. TNT. Talk to you guys later on. Right now, the SPY looking like she wants to roll here. Let's see what happens. But Chop Chop City. Welcome to Chop Chop City, baby.